Hi, I'm Reed-Enever. I'm an ideas, impact and marketing strategist, and I love teaching you what I do and others what I do. And my favorite place to do that is inside our ideas, impact and marketing circle. That circle is my inner circle and inner community of people who come together with me to not only access my full course library in the Reed-Enever Group Academy, but also to learn and to be motivated and to take those ideas out of their head and create impact with their ideas, their knowledge, their products, their services, and their expertise. The Ideas, Impact and Marketing Circle is a community. They are an amazing group of people that we've got in there already, and they're waiting for you because they love to support each other. They love to nurture. We get together twice a month. One time is where you just bring your questions and I will answer them, whether it's about marketing, whether it's about systems, whether it's just about something going on in your business. If you want a little bit of help and feedback, we answer those. The second time of the month when we get together is we're delving into a how-to sessions, or see how it works, as I am liking to call them nowadays. And we're diving into how something works with the world of marketing or the world of business or the world of AI and automation along the way. The Ideas, Impact and Marketing Circle is a community where we all come together and support each other. You've got me and the amazing members inside of our Facebook community. You've got access to amazing templates inside the Reed-Enever Group Academy, which will help you with your marketing and even some day-to-day business operations along the way. You've also got access to my full course library inside Thinkific. If there's a course in there that I'm teaching, you get to take it. And then you've got access to my full ebook library as well. So all the tips and tricks that I've written in ebooks over the years, they're open to you as well. But the main impact that we create inside this community is coming together, helping you get those ideas, helping you make sure that you work through that process and you take action and you create impact. So if you're looking to learn more, looking to take action in your business and wanting to create impact and have ideas or want to tap into my ideas brain, I invite you to come and join us inside the Ideas, Impact and Marketing Circle.